guys, I know a lot of you have already been using that Bluetooth kit that I've been using on my car for a while. It's just a simple USB to aux. If you do not have the USB outlet in your BMW, not to worry, you can just use a cigarette lighter, USB adapter. All the USB is just the power for the Bluetooth signal, and of course you got your aux right there. Hey, in this video, I have one left that I want to give out. So the first person that comments my number in between 1 and 100, I'm going to send it to you. Now, US only, I can't stress that enough, US only. These come from Amazon, of course. I will be shipping it Prime today, so you have it in 2 days, so that way you guys get it very quick. The first person that guesses that number closest to mine here by tomorrow night, I'll be sending you the Bluetooth. So after that, we'll shut off the video, and then get ready for my next big prize giveaway that I'm gonna be doing here on the channel. Well guys, I hope you enjoy your weekend. So I'm closing on my house less than 1 week already, so time is flying by fast. Can't wait to do the DIYs in that new garage, take you along for the ride. Other than that, thanks guys for stopping in. Get down there and comment, of course. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up on the video, of course, and chat with you down there. Take care.